here are my two champions. Let me quickly run through the main differences. On one side, we have Sony S20R, beloved for its trash and balanced sound. And on the other, we have Zebronics Juke 7400 Pro 5.1, which is famous for its high powerful output and for its extra bass. We are going to test them around 4 crucial rounds: movies, gaming, music and build quality. So let's check it out. So friends, before we test the sound of these two soundbars, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So friends, now let's play the movie clip on Sony S20R. Check the clarity on the Sony. The dialogue is so crisp and the red speaker effects are completely pinpoint. You can hear that benefits of the Dolby Digital support. Let's even check the Zebronics. And about the connectivity and build quality, the Zebronics often gives you more connectivity options like optical, AUX, HDMI, coaxial and sometimes a clear LED display. And now let's even look at the Sony build quality and its connectivity. Here analog in, HDMI out, TV in, even there is RC and optical. And friends, on this side, on the Zebronics, here you can see this is the buttons plus minus. You can control the volume and USB. Even you will get this pen drive option. And if you look at the Sony S20R on the display, you are going to get plus minus. This is the screen touch. You can touch it and power off and button. This is the Bluetooth. You can even touch and this will change automatically. As you can see, I have just touched it and it's changing. Okay guys, you can also even insert the USB pen drive. So friends, it's time for the final verdict. Both systems are excellent for the price, but they target different users. And if you are a movie lover, if you prioritize dialogue clarity through sound separations and brand trust, then you should go with the Sony S20R. Its Dolby Digital will not disappoint. And if you are a bass lover, if you need maximum loudness, more aggressive output and raw power, then the Zebronics 7400 Pro is a better deal. It will give you more boom for your buck. And friends, so which one is your champion? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check the best buying link for both systems and description below. Like and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.